Yo, what's good, yo? So today we're back for a new video. I think the last time I posted a video was like 1 month ago, and my last video was actually me blowing all of my accounts. So I had like some funded accounts, and I also have some evaluations that I was trying to post. But unfortunately, I crashed out and I lost all of them. So I just decided to take a break of like 2 weeks. Yeah, I think it was 2 weeks. I was trying to like recalibrate myself and really like um I just want to take a break to be honest. Like I was just like trading every day and I felt like I just felt like I needed a break. So I took a break of 2 weeks. So now we're back. We're back. We just paused a new account right here. As you can see, I just paused it today. So this account took me like I would say like 4 days to pause. Yeah. I mean, it's like 3 or 4 days to pause. So this was the trade that I took in order to pause the account. Was a pretty good trade in my opinion. Pretty nice with Storyboy. It was a 1-to-1. I didn't want to target like that much because I just needed that much to boost the account. I made like 1500 on this trade. Really nice. So let's just do a trade recap right quick. So basically, if we look at the high time frame, I was very bullish. I was very bullish if we look at the high time frame, just because like bro, it's so obvious that we're bullish because first of all, we are respecting every bullish PD raise. We're respecting bullish fair value gaps. We're respecting equilibrium, and also we are disrespecting everything that's bearish. So if you look at the 4 hour, we are disrespecting this bearish gap and also creating a new bullish fair value gap, which after gets tapped into, and then price goes higher, which is obviously pretty easy to read. So that's why my bias was pretty much bullish today. So what I did is that I waited for market open. So market open at 9:30, and what happens at market open? We basically go up. Okay, market open goes up. Uh, I mean, as you can see, it was a pretty choppy day today. It was a pretty choppy day. I would say the first 30 minutes of market open was pretty decent. Like it was actually okay. Like there was like some setups. But then after that, like you can see after that, it was pretty much like very choppy. So I'm glad I took this trade before this chop. So yeah, let's get back to the recap. So market open, wait, oh, so market open right here, 9:30, we go up. And then what happened is that when price goes down, we take some sell side liquidity. And there was actually a good setup, like if you wanted to short, there was actually a good setup right here. It was on the 30-second, if I'm not wrong. I don't have access to the 30-second right now, but if you do have the 30-second chart in front of you, there was actually a nice inversion happening right here. This was actually a good trade, but I didn't take it just because I was like very bullish. So I would rather just wait for my bullish setup to happen instead of taking this short right here. So that's what I did. I was pretty patient, and it was good that I was patient because after this short played out, so price took this low right here, and if I'm not wrong, I think there was an SMT just right here. So that was an additional confirmation for me that we were gonna go higher. And that was really nice for me because since I was bullish, I was pretty confident to this trade because I knew that price was going to go higher. So liquidity sweep, and then we had this big ass gap right here. So basically in my head, I was like, okay, if we do inverse this gap, I mean the first fair value gap right here, if we do inverse it, then I'll take a trade to the upside, targeting maybe Asia highs and London highs, which is right here. I think London highs was right here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, yeah, I think it was here. So yeah, and then we finally got the inversion that I wanted. So we got the inversion right here. Even if it took some time to inverse, I was still pretty confident in this trade, just because I believe that, since it was like very early in the market open, and I knew that in the middle of a session we were going to chop. So if we want to be volatile, this is the time where you have to look for a setup because that's when price is going to be the most volatile. So that's why I was pretty confident into taking this trade, and I didn't really like hesitate to take this one. So after we got the inverse right here, this was at 9:45, we got the inverse, and that's when I took my trade right here. Took my trade right here. Stop loss was at this low right here. My stop loss was a bit risky, I'm not gonna lie. If it was me, I would like if I was trading on a live account, I would definitely put my stop loss maybe here or here because, bro, I mean, this is a very risky stop loss, and I was actually lucky that price action was not bad today. So yeah, I put my stop loss right here. My TP was actually just above London highs. So this was London high and Asia high. So yeah, this was all I needed in order to pause the account. Basically, I got in at 9:46 and took me about 4 minutes to hit TP, which is very nice. And that's how I was able to post my account today. So now we're finally back on a new, fresh, funded account. And this time I'm really going to document like the entire journey. I'm really gonna try to post a video every day, even when I don't trade. I'm going to try to post like trade recaps, market recaps, whatever. I really want to be transparent because I feel like in the trading community, there's so much like fake shit going on. So that's why I really want to be as transparent as I can and post everything, literally everything. Even if I'm not trading, I'm gonna post just because, first of all, I want to build a community. I want to build a community, and second, I also want to inspire people who are in the same situation as me. So for people who don't know, I come from Mauritius, and Mauritius is like a small island with a very weak currency compared to the US dollar. So when I buy an account, when I buy an evaluation account, um, that shit costs a lot for me, bro. It literally costs a lot. So I can't really like keep like blowing accounts and buying accounts over and over. So that's why I need to be a little bit more careful while trading. And that's why I'm so happy that I just paused my account today because that means that I can finally try to get a payout and recover all of my losses and also have some profits, which is hopefully going to happen this month. But like I was saying, the reason why I started this channel and why I'm like documenting my journey, it's basically just to inspire people who are in the same situation as me. So if you too you are in a country that have a weak currency compared to the US dollar and um it's much harder to have success in trading, just keep going, bro. Like don't ever give up. Like this shit is gonna work. And by the way, if you all want to support me, you can use my discount code in the description. Right now you can get 25% off of Alpha Futures on any accounts if you want a zero account, a standard account, a qualified account, whatever. Um, you can use my code if you want to. I'm not forcing you, but that would be really nice. I would really appreciate if you all support me. So the discount code is gonna be in the description. So feel free to use it if you want to. And yeah, anyways, so that would be it for today. I just wanted to share my accomplishment today. I mean, I don't feel like it's a big accomplishment for me because it's not the first time that I posted from the account. Like I've posted like multiple from the accounts in the past. I just never got a payout yet. So I don't know why, but I feel like this account that I post will really be like the account that I actually get a payout on. Like I'm being dead ass serious right now. I really feel like I have this feeling that I will get a payout on this account. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best, and I hope that you'll stick with me on the journey. And yeah, and if you are in the same position as me, I hope you feel like more motivated and you keep going, even if it's hard, even if it looks impossible, or out of reach. We all have the ability to make it if we actually believe in ourselves. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for me today. I'll see you all in the next vid, probably tomorrow or Wednesday if I trade. And yeah, take care. See you all next vid.